What can you do with $1? Save it or invest it? Would you believe me if I told you you can invest $1 today in knowledge that is guaranteed to change your financial future? Are you struggling right now, trying to make money online? Are you an entrepreneur who feels like quitting? Or an aspiring entrepreneur who is discouraged from even starting? Have you been procrastinating and wondering, what does it cost to start an online business? Good news is, you are watching this video right now and you've taken your first step in solving your problems. We've helped a lot of people just like you discover how to create successful online businesses through proven systems. Discover the new booming industries that make the most millionaires online with bigger opportunities you can tap into right now. Discover the simple tools that are guaranteed to help you make money online fast. It's easier than you think. Discover how you can make consistent income online without creating your own products or website. Discover an easy step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done, plus a whole lot more. But maybe your next question is, how much? If you are going to hire some internet gurus on this to show you how it's done, you can easily find yourself investing hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or to attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. If you make the wise decision to grab this today, you will have the unique opportunity to invest as little as $1 to get instant access to the high-value training videos right now. Starting an online business doesn't have to be expensive and complicated. Don't let money, time, or lack of ideas stop you from starting your online business. If others can do it, I believe you can do it too. Click the button below and discover how you can benefit from this $1 investment opportunity right now. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. I'll see you on the inside.